Stop. You are probably making one of the biggest mistakes in crypto right now, and it's costing you money. But not to worry. I am going to reveal to you the number one secret in making real money with crypto, even if you are starting with as low as $10. I will also expose hidden exchange fees, how to pick winning coins, and the best strategy to grow your portfolio fast. Stay till the end because I'm dropping an exclusive profit boosting strategy that could change your financial future. You don't want to miss any of this vital information. My name is Juliet, and in this space, we talk about money secrets that the rich don't want you to know. And we also provide practical strategies that can help you break out of the cycle of being broke and start building real wealth. If this is what you like, hit the subscribe button, smash the icon bell beside it so that you get notified anytime I publish valuable content like this. Give this video a thumbs up to alert the algorithm that we are doing something in this space. And don't forget to share this video. Let's get into it. The first thing I want to talk about is the number one enemy of crypto investors. Have you really asked yourself, why is it that most people don't make money in crypto? Now, most people don't make money in crypto not necessarily because of bad market, but because of impatience, fear, and bad decisions. Fear, which we call FOMO, the fear of missing out. You don't want to miss out of the opportunities, and you end up buying the hyped price when the price must have gone up. They have hyped the price, and the price is on the high side. You don't even know if the market has already done all-time high. You jump in because you don't want to lose the opportunity because of the hype, because of how they are praising the coin and all. So when you jump in, you actually get into the market when a lot of people want to sell in order to make gain. So what actually happened here is that you bought when people are leaving or when the market is about to reverse. And the truth be told, that the market, when it wants to retrace, after retracement, it might not really, in fact, it might take a long time before it will get to the point where you bought. The next thing there is panic selling. The market starts dipping or starts to dip, and you rush and go and sell. Now, there is something I want you to understand here. There is no market that is one-sided. For those of us that go to a public place where we call market, we do buy and sell, they will understand what I'm saying. There is no market where you get to and you see that it's only buyers that are buying and buying and buying and buying without the activities or the presence of the sellers. So when the price is being hiked, means that the price goes up. It will correct. We call it retracement. That particular price that went up will definitely retrace to give the sellers opportunity to do their own activities inside the market. So when the price begins to fall, or when the price begins to go down, you start panicking and you end up selling, probably sell at loss. That is panic selling. When you sell at loss, you have lose money. First, you bought when the price was very high. Second, you are selling at a loss. So dip and the corrections are almost inevitable in the market. When you don't understand this structure, we call it market structure. When you don't understand this structure, you begin to panic and you sell at loss. And the next thing is over trading. You make so many trades per day. The more trades you make, the more fees you pay. Per every trade you make, there is a fee attached to it. That is why your trade normally starts from the negative. As a smart trader, you need to stay patient, manage your risk, and use a proven strategy. And that's what I'm about to show you in this video. How do you make money with crypto? Number one is by trading for quick profit. Let me explain. What this means is you acquire the skill of understanding the market to follow the market when it is going up and when it is coming down. That is buying and selling, or longing and shorting. Long means buy, short means sell. So you understand how these things work. You can be a day trader, that's by placing trades on daily basis for fast gain or profit. You can also be a swing trader where you place a trade and hold it for days, weeks, months, just to ride the trend. And you can also be a scalper where you make profits from quick trades. In all of these, whether you're day trading, scalping, or swing trading, make sure you are using your stop loss and target profit order to protect your capital. Very important. Another way to make money with crypto is by investing or holding for massive gain. This is for future investing. That's what this one implies. And you can do this using spot trade. You buy the coin when the price is low, and you hold it for months or for years, depending on what you want to achieve as your target profit, to sell when you must have achieved your aim, but you hold it for a long time. On this, you might want to focus on coins with high utility, as in coins with high utility, like BTC, that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Matic. You just look for the coin with high utility if you want to go into investing. On that, you can also diversify across DeFi, gaming, and the metaverse projects. All of this, you make money with crypto. The second thing I want us to talk about is hidden exchange fees that eats your profit. Most traders lose money not from bad trades, but from high fees. Many crypto traders focus only on buying and selling at the right time, but often overlook one of the biggest profit killers, which is exchange fees. These fees can significantly reduce your earning, especially if you trade frequently. Let's break it down so that you understand the different fees and how to minimize them. Types of crypto exchange fees you must watch out for. Trading fee. Anytime you place a trade, that is, you buy or you sell, the exchange charges some percentage of your money as a fee. And this ranges from maybe from 0.1% to 0.5%. They take it as a fee. And that is the reason when you place a trade, you normally see that trade starts with red. Depending on the exchange anyway. Now there is the one called maker fee, which is charged when you place a limit order, and the one called taker fee when you place a market order. Now, if you trade multiple times a day, these fees piles up. Next is withdrawal fee. Anytime you want to take your crypto off the exchange, or you want to take your money, there is a fee that you will pay that is called the withdrawal fee, though it varies from one exchange to another. So when you want to make a withdrawal, always check the withdrawal fee from different blockchains before placing your withdrawal. Go for the one that is the cheapest. The next one is network fee, or the one we call gas fee. This is network fee. This is the fee is being paid to do blockchain transactions. You don't do it free. This is money that is being charged for the blockchain transaction. We call it network fee. When you send crypto from one wallet to another wallet, you must pay network fee. That is where this one comes to play. You must pay network fee, and it depends on the blockchain activities. Some blockchain activities, they have a high fee, especially when they are busy, sort of. When the network is busy, fees are high, and when the network is less busy, the fees are low. That's why some transactions, you might want to make them in the daytime, the fees are always high. And when you wait till maybe around kind middle of the night or so, the fees are low. When the network is less busy, the fees are always low. I think currently Ethereum has the highest gas fee when compared to BNB, Polygon, Solana. These ones, their network fee is lower or is cheaper. So you can use the ones that their network fee is cheaper if applicable. This is how you can reduce crypto trading and withdrawal fees so that you can make more profits. One, use low fee exchange. I just mentioned them now. So look for network that their fees are low so that you can cut out some and save. Two, some exchanges, they offer lower trading fees, making them ideal for frequent traders like Binance, Crypto.com, Bybit, KuCoin. These platforms, their fees are a bit cheaper, so you can make use of them to do your trading so that you can save some. Another way you can also reduce these fees is by staking some of the exchange tokens. Most of these exchanges, they have their own tokens, so you can stake their tokens at discount. For instance, if you stake this coin called CRO, is a native coin of crypto.com. So if you stake that coin, you might get a discount. You can get up to 100% free reduction or discount because it's their native coin and you are staking it in their own platform. So these are ways or avenues that you can reduce these fees and the charges. In platform like Binance, I think they own BNB. So you can get up to 25% discount using the BNB for payment in their platform. Another way to reduce these fees is to avoid excessive trading. Every trade costs money. The more you trade, the more fees you pay. Instead of the trading, you may want to consider swing trade or hold to reduce frequent trading charges. Remember that these charges you are paying these charges whether you are making profit or you are losing in that trade. That charge is the first thing that they would take before the trade even starts running. You can use limit orders instead of market orders to get lower market fees so as to keep more of your profits. When signing up, try and compare different exchanges because some platforms charge higher than the other. Now, Use networks with lower transaction fees when possible. Use networks with lower transaction fees when possible. Avoid excessive trading. Every trade costs money. The more you trade, the more fees you pay. Instead of day trading, you may want to consider swing trade or holding to reduce frequent trading charges. Use limit order instead of market orders to get lower maker fees. Now, to keep more of your profit, you might want to compare exchange fees before signing up. Some platforms charge higher than the other. So when you want to sign up in any platform, you might want to compare and you might want to compare their different exchange fees. Also, use networks that are cheaper when you want to do transactions, if possible. Also, you might want to consider using decentralized exchange for certain transactions, as some of them have a lower transaction fee when compared to centralized exchange. Now, how do you choose the best crypto exchange? Not all exchanges are equal. Each of them, they have different designs and purposes. Now, picking the wrong ones can cost you. For instance, Binance is best for low fees and varieties. That's what Binance is known for. Crypto.com is great for people that want to make passive income and the cashback rewards. They are good in that. Platform like Bybit is perfect for leverage trading. You see how these things are being designed now. So you take your time and look at all of this. Now, what do you look out for when you want to choose an exchange? One, look at low fees, exchange with low fees and high security. Now, secondly, look for exchange that the platform is user friendly, because you are coming to use that platform for the first time. So you wouldn't want the time that you used to do something reasonable, you use it to be looking for who to chat to or who to call to, when it would take time for them to actually respond. So you will want to look at exchange that is user friendly. Then you will also want to look at exchange that support multiple cryptos and the fiat currencies. Because when you make this money, you want to withdraw it to your own local currency. So you will want to look at exchange that supports that. If you have watched this video to this point, congratulations to you. You really want to make money using crypto. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you get informed anytime I published a content like this, and also share this video and like the video. Now, the secret of choosing the right coin. I know that's what we are waiting for. Now, picking the right coin is the difference between that 10 times profit that you want to make. That's the 10x you are seeing. The 10x profit you want to make and total loss. That's if you pick the right coin, you will be able to make the 10 times profit. And if you pick the wrong coin, you lose. That's just the grammar there. You may want to look at top coin categories. You may want to look at the top coin categories for big gains. You may want to look at coins available for a long time. At the blue chip, that's the Bitcoin. where you have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum in this class. You may also look at the layer 1 projects, where you have the Solana, that's Sol, the Avalanche, that's Avax. You may also want to look at the Metaverse and the gaming, where you have Decentraland, that's Mana. And you will also want to look at DeFi projects, where you have the Uniswap and the Aave. That being said, now to pick a winning coin, look at this, take this 3-step formula that I'm about to mention to you now. 1, check the coin utility and adoption. Does the project solve a real problem? If the project is not solving a real problem, it is not a worthwhile project. A project that solves a real problem will be universally adopted, or it will have a community, strong community as that. Step number 2, look at the market trend. Follow the market trend, follow the news, follow the partnership and the updates. Then step number 3, analysis. In all of this, the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis. The technical analysis, that is the chart, and the fundamental analysis, that is the environment, the economic situation surrounding the coin or the economy, how the economy is moving, what the economy is saying concerning the coin, or the things that can affect the coin. So you need to look at this. Don't buy hype. If you don't do your analysis, your due diligence, you will lose money. That is where gambling comes to play. So if you have watched this video, you might want to rewatch it again so that the information will sink very well. Especially if you are new in crypto. Do your due diligence. Do your research. Don't jump into hype to go and lose that your money. Investing small and making big gain. Now, the truth is this: you don't need millions of dollars or thousands of dollars to start investing in crypto and start making good money. You just need a smart and the right strategy, as I have explained in this video. You might want to go through it again. What you need is smart strategy with just little capital. You discover this coin when the coin is new, or when the market cap is still small. Then you can dive in, having your analysis correct. You dive into the coin and watch the coin grow as your money is growing. That is how to use, when you see people flashing it here and there, this person used $10 to make $20,000. It is possible, but that is a right smart move with the right strategy. That is what gives that result. That being said, the best way to invest small and grow big is by using what we call DCA, dollar cost average. Invest a little every week or every month to reduce the risk. Then you can stake your coin and earn passive income. This one, you stake and you get rewards. They will keep rewarding you for staking the coin. Then you can also jump on new projects. But before you jump into a new project, you have to do your due diligence. You don't just jump into any new project you see. You will do your research. to be sure that that particular coin, it has a adoption and utility. There's a problem it's coming to solve. You need to monitor the coin. You don't just see a coin and you jump into that coin. You at least need to monitor the coin after your analysis to be sure of what you are doing before you part with your resources. New projects always do 10x, 100x, even a 1000x. Some coins does that. You understand? So you need to do your due diligence. See you on the side of wealth. And if you have gained value in this video, just go to the comment section. Tell me that coin that made you cry and the one that made you happy.